good, because I'm not just a Lobsang sangay as a person, but as part of the Tibetan movement, our movement has to succeed at a certain level, has to be good. In that sense, we have to make it good. I will be doing my best. I'm dedicated to this, I'm committed to this. My integrity and my commitment to Tibetan people is, I can say deep down, very, very strong. But God has given me only 2 hands, or my karma. I have two hands. But unless 12 million hands, 6 million people, 12 million hands join together and unitedly move forward, 2 hands can't do much, but unitedly we can make a difference. So we have to be united, we have to be strong, we have to be committed for our cause. And as all of us speaking about me being kind of a model or not, but I don't know how good a model I'll be for the Tibetan youth. But one thing is very clear, as for the Tibetan youth, during our lifetime, either Tibet will face justice or defeat, most likely. During our lifetime, we will see Tibet. We will continue to see Tibet in the map of the world, or it might disappear. During our lifetime, Tibetan people will have their dignity and identity, or we could be just a museum piece. So, especially for Tibetan youth, we should know the urgency of the situation, the Tibet in crisis, the tragedy in Tibet, which is unfolding and which is getting worse every day. So there is an urgency where Tibetan youth are called upon to be more responsible, more committed for your cause, for your people back home. We have to live up to the expectation of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. We have to live up to the expectation of Tibetans who are suffering in Tibet as we speak. So keeping them in mind and keeping our leader in mind, we have to be united, we have to be strong and march forward unitedly to work for our cause. If we do, there is a chance we will succeed. If we don't, we will fail. So it's in our hands. So I urge all of you to be committed to Tibetan cause, to be loyal to Tibetan brothers and sisters in Tibet, always mindful of what they're undergoing, and on a daily basis, be Tibetan, proud of being Tibetan, and together we will march forward to freedom in Tibet and with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you.
Zaman the year so many will be women to Jashi de la Family Surgeon Batter. One the woman and Jijang, Tandi, Guaki, in Dimla, Dorna, Kuchin Shizin Yola, Dorman Gold or My Santin, Jessel Sokia, Zima, Pinga, Dona, Laji, Chet, Tata Limpun, Kalon Tripa, Lobsang sangay Chola, a Rehun Karusi, Alazi, and Hussig, Asia, Mountain Kangil, Hula Jashi de la Jens, Hamdi, Lachis, Clopa Mazilla. Rehun Karos, Gunonian, Tunguchun Potamon, the Nichun, the Moses, the Gonu, Jim Sanchez, and a tea for a chisel of Sora.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Bologna is going to get some to one doing comes from the woman and Santi, then in the other Remocaro, Lobsang sangay, that's on Kalon Tripa, Lobsang sangay, that you deal with the deal of the name.
错了爸妈这个娘生爷呀，没人是个人的爷呀，懂了我把错耶。